how to blur footage in DaVinci Resolve. Select your clip and go to the Color tab. Open the effects window, search for a blur you would like to use and drag that blur onto your clip. Here's a side-by-side comparison of all the different types of blur. In the settings, you can customize the blur to your liking. Now I'm going to show you how to blur only a certain part of the image. Select your clip and go to the Color tab. Under Window, add a shape to your clip. You have three options. You can either do a square, a circle or a polygon. A polygon is a custom shape you draw yourself. I'll show you that in a bit. Quite honestly, I don't know what curve or gradient does. The shape will appear on your clip. Resize it to your needs. From the Effects tab, drag blur onto your clip. Now as you can see, only the part in the window is blurred. Additionally, you can use an outside node to blur everything which isn't in the shape. Now I'm going to show you how to track your blur. Make sure you select the first frame of your clip. This is very important for later. And go to the Color tab. Using either the linear, circle or polygon tool, draw a shape around the thing you want to blur. In this case I'm using the polygon tool when earlier I used the circle tool. Now switch from the window tab to the tracking tab. Click play, then DaVinci will track your footage. Drag the blur from the effects tab onto your clip. Now as you can see, the blur is tracked to the face.